Hello, Anthony Carter here, and I'm really excited about what I'm going to share with you. I've just been handed a 30-day challenge from an internet millionaire. He's a multi-millionaire and he's made his millions online, and he's agreed to teach me how to get wealthy online as well. And he's throwing out a 30-day challenge which is going to show me how to make money online within 30 days if I will do everything that he tells me to do day by day by day over the next 30 days. So I'm really excited about that, and I just wanted to share it with some of my friends out there. And if you would just keep checking back, I'll be giving you periodic updates on how I'm doing. But one thing I've learned in life is that if you know somebody who's done what you want to do, the best advice is to basically get in their hip pocket and learn from them. If they're willing to teach you, then learn from them, because they've been there, done that, and they can show you what it takes to get where they're at. And I'm looking forward to learning what it takes to be a millionaire online, and just so excited to hook up with this guy. And I'm also excited to share with you guys my progress, how things are going. So continue to check back and I'll continue to give you updates. But until then, have a great day, and I'll look forward to talking to you soon. Bye-bye.